Recently, these videos started to pop out of nowhere. YouTube is on easy mode, easy button on YouTube, and many people just basically saying that YouTube changed the game. To find out, I bought this whiteboard, and we're gonna open it up, unbox it, and I will help you to figure this out, what changed. So why did I decide to start a video like this, showing my house that is some people may comment is ugly. Well, that's realistic. The realistic, authentic era is back on YouTube. You see, about 1 year ago, this shift has started. Many creators started quitting YouTube, right? You may just search in a search bar like "I quit YouTube," it's time to quit, and many videos from established creators started to pop up. So basically people were fed up with something. They didn't get enough views on established older channels. Some guy with 1 million subscribers even started posting ducks on his channel. That's how dead it was. And at the same time, Mr. Beast was growing like crazy, and everybody started basically to copy Mr. Beast's videos, Mr. Beast's editing style, and the AI videos started to pop up. Basically, it was so easy to produce that AI videos. They flooded the YouTube, and many people figure out this YouTube automation business model where you hire editor and scriptwriter on Fiverr and basically produce one video for $60-70, and you can produce unlimited videos, especially using AI. Some people even figure it out to cut the costs, even like to $10 per video. Imagine how many videos you can make with the cost of just $10. For example, I paid $40 for this whiteboard. You may have seen these videos like use Canva to create 1000 shorts in 30 minutes. And if you think about it, if everybody would start to must create shorts with Canva, so how good would your feed be? Basically, it's hurting the platform, and the platform needs new creators because obviously some people got burned out because they were not getting views. This automation faceless niches were eating views. Mr. Beast was eating views, taking bigger piece of a pie from everyone else. And yeah, the platform has changed. This is not really great. Okay. Oh, it was plastic. So basically now we moving back to the authentic era of the original YouTube. If you're old like me, you remember at the original YouTube the videos were not highly edited. It was something realistic, and many people using like one frame, one shot. Okay, I cannot do this with one hand. So why do we need a whiteboard? First of all, it looks cool and helps my videos to stand out, and second of all, I'm gonna explain to you how you can make money with YouTube using so-called easy mode. So what we established during unboxing of the whiteboard is that YouTube is changing. Actually, YouTube is always changing. I've been on a platform for more than 10 years, and I've been actively studying it for more than 8 years. And the algorithm is constantly changing. If you think about YouTube 8 years ago, it was a completely different platform. And the most recent era was the era of Mr. Beastification of YouTube, which some audience, including me, didn't like. I don't like these highly edited videos with popping up text downstairs. So some older audience was not happy, and younger audience was leaving YouTube for TikTok and other platforms. So social media platforms are competing, and YouTube is trying to innovate. So let's imagine a pie. Let's imagine a pie. So a pie is 8.3 billion people on Earth, according to current statistics. About, I think, 80% of people nowadays, they have phone, they have access to the internet. So probably 6 billion people can consume content. That would be something like this. These people, they cannot consume content because they live in undeveloped countries and they don't have an access to the internet. So basically, social media platforms can earn money from this 80% of people. Yep. Let's say before it was like this, YouTube and text-based websites, and now it's changing. Now people consume like 10% of text. Let's put here text. And everything else is video. Different formats of video, short video, long video, live streaming. So let's concentrate on video. Let's imagine that this is probably live segment. Nowadays, the short segment would be, I think, something like this. Short. And this is long form videos. So basically, if we look at our pie, about 4 billion people, 4 billion, they watch long form videos daily. That's a huge pie. And YouTube is the biggest platform for long form videos in the world. Second biggest search engine after Google that owns YouTube, okay? So it's still a huge pie, but it's getting eaten little by little because younger generation mostly watch short form vertical content. If you think about it, I remember the famous video, God hates vertical videos with the toys. If you all like me, you maybe remember this. So just 10 years ago, making a vertical video was considered offensive. It's like disrespecting your viewer. Like, who are you to be lazy enough to not to hold your phone horizontally? And nowadays, it's just about 25% of all content that people watch daily is short form vertical content. And recently YouTube introduced 3-minute short videos. First creators tested it and they don't like it because it's something is wrong with the algorithm. It's basically getting views from channel page and not getting views from the short feed. They promised to fix it, but I wouldn't bet on this right now. So we're gonna talk about this share of the pie, long form videos. Obviously some people don't really care about money, they care about creative side, and that's completely fine, but let's be honest, we all need to feed our families, and if you can make some additional income with YouTube, like $1,000, $2,000 per month, why not? Why not? You can earn money with your creativity. So let's talk about how to do that. So let's reinforce what changed. Expensive gear, you don't need it anymore. Your iPhone 11 is fine. Retention editing, people are fed up, it's hurting eyes. No. AI videos, don't use AI. It's getting less and less views because it's considered as spam content. So this you don't need anymore. Be authentic and use your iPhone to tell a story. Now, first of all, why I want to concentrate on long form videos? If you think about it, maximum length of short is 3 minutes now, but most shorts posted previously are under 60 seconds. Some shorts are 7 seconds, some shorts are 30 seconds. So it's under 60 seconds. Let's say 60 seconds is the attention you get, maximum attention you get. Actually, most people don't watch long shorts to the end, so it's like 40 seconds. 40 seconds is realistically what you're gonna get with shorts, okay? And this video I project to be around 15 to 20 minutes. and half of the people, if we look at analytics, are gonna watch to the end. So basically I'm getting on average like 8 minutes of attention. We live in the attention economy. So think about this. If you stay in a conference room and you're presenting whatever you want to present to people, would you like to be given 40 seconds, or would you like to be given 8 minutes, or whatever long, like 20 minutes? Some videos people watch over 20 minutes. Would you like to stay with people and being able to present your ideas to them for 40 seconds, or like 8, 10, 15 minutes? I think if we live in an attention economy and you can stay with people for 15 minutes, you can get 15 to 20 times more attention from them, and they will remember your face better. Remember I talked about faceless channels? People are earning money with AdSense with faceless channels, but would you rather buy something in the future, a digital product, a course, or whatever, just an affiliate link connected to the topic of the video? Would you rather go to the affiliate link from a faceless channel or from a dude that is showing his face? Obviously we can relate to real humans. That's why YouTube is promoting talking head videos, basic talking head videos with whiteboard, without whiteboard right now. You can utilize this in your strategy, because if you think about it, okay, YouTube is on easy mode now, I'm gonna start a new channel, I'm gonna grow like crazy, but for what? Recently I found this channel. It's 1 month old, and basically it's a talking head style videos. Woman is talking about her life in a kitchen. The channel grew to 10,000 subscribers from 8 videos. And in the first video, she's talking like, hey, please, if you like my story, just like it, share it, standard stuff, right? About 25 minutes video. And when I found it, it was already over 100,000 views on a new channel. No editing, just straight talking to the camera. She didn't even bother to edit the poses. Like, she started the camera, said something, and that's it. 8 videos like this, 8, she got 10,000 subscribers. But can she monetize? I didn't find any links in the description, so she's wasting her real estate. She's getting views, but not getting any money from it. Because many people expect, if the platform is given an opportunity to grow, they should just post videos in an attempt to get viral and get AdSense monetization. This is the wrong approach. Because if you watch bigger creators, their revenue pie looks like this. So basically this is AdSense. Whatever. And this is everything else. It can normally look like this, like 60% sponsorships, whatever, affiliate, and this would be like digital products. So this is what it looks, the revenue pie of a successful creator. And if you think about it, if you're chasing only for this, only for AdSense, you're losing. Yeah, wait, my dogs are fighting. Okay, I fixed that. And not only you're losing revenue while you're chasing for AdSense, if you're starting a new channel to earn something in the future, you losing money with every view. I think that would be an exaggeration that you can make money from your first view. Many people say that they're trying to sell you courses, but realistically, from your first 2,000-3,000 views, you can already earn something with affiliate links. So if you make a strategy before making your project, your channel, whatever you want to say, now creators over 40 are blowing up. I saw many videos, people talking like, if you are over 40, just start a YouTube channel. And that's true, because people over 40, they don't know how to edit, and audience is fed up with intense editing. They just want talking head videos, they just want realistic lifestyle. Look at my poor yard. I'm not shy. It's the real life. So if you start using a strategy, like strategically building an audience that is gonna like every next video, you can make evergreen content that will serve you as a money vehicle in the future. You can put affiliate links in the description of every video, and if your content is evergreen and people like one video and then they come back to this topic to another video, let's say this is entry point. They found your video on the main page. So if they like the topic, they subscribe. What should they do next? They will get recommended second video. And if they don't like what happens with the algorithm now? Algorithm will probably try to show short video. If they don't like again, guess what? Your channel will never be shown in a feed again. If it's a small channel, it's especially difficult to get audience back. Stay with the topic. Choose the topic strategically. Choose the topic that you like, that you can talk about all the time, something you enjoy with, and put the links into the description, right? If we put the links here, people stay with your topic. They like it. Wait. Let's try again. You make a channel. People like your video. YouTube is recommending on a homepage to give something new to YouTube audience. Then they like your second video. And you're talking about the same thing. They getting familiar. They go to short video and they like it. They think what you're saying is making sense. So for example, this channel is about making your living from anywhere in the world, working for yourself, enjoying life, and not being a slave to 9-to-5 lifestyle that many people don't enjoy. So basically you can make your own business. I don't like the word teaching. I'm telling you, like from my experience, what I see analyzing the algorithms. If they like first video and you tell, hey, my link is in the description, second video, my link in the description, short video, eventually they're gonna check out the description. I'm not shy, I have a link in the description, the link for school community that helps established creators to monetize their existing audience. So if you have an audience, just go check out the link in the description. And if you don't have an audience yet, this is basically what algorithm for growth looks like nowadays. You can start a new channel, you will get impressions. Before people started new channels, I started some test channel about 1 year ago. I didn't get any impressions. From 20 videos, I got 5 subscribers. Now I posted like 4 videos. I think I posted 4 videos, already 10 subscribers. So this new channel is growing. And I'm staying with the topic, I'm being strategic, and this is what you should copy. I hope that was useful for you. If you like this type of content, we're gonna explain more interesting concepts on this whiteboard in the future. Subscribe and like. Did I say we? Oh, I'm not we, I'm not His Majesty. I meant I'm gonna explain some interesting concepts and we're gonna dive into it.